Divakar from Basveshwar Nagar. Outstanding. No? All right.
Suman Naik, no club mention.
Suman Naik. No. Boy.
Pinia.
Girish from Pina. Where is Girish? All right. One more, huh?
One more lucky. Let us see who is the lucky. Sugandhan from Rotary, Kuampu Nagar.
Kuvempu Nagar. All right, the newest, one of our newest and youngest clubs. Lovely. Come, sir, come. Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, please sit down, please sit down. Very important announcement for tonight. Just sit down for 1 minute. You know that tonight's entertainment evening venue is about 1 kilometer away from here. It's very easy to find it. You need to figure out a way to get to Miramar Circle. And at Miramar Circle, you need to take a left turn. And if you go on that left, you will find the venue there. Okay, it's very easy. If you have any difficulty, please reach out to the conference organizing committee. The names are printed in the booklet. It's very, very easy to find. It's actually walking distance from here. The entertainment this evening begins at 7 o'clock sharp. So you have enough time to go back to your rooms, freshen up, wear your best gown outfits, and come there. It's going to be a party like no party before. Right? That's one announcement. Second announcement. Idle?
Yeah, dress code for the evening. No doubt it's the gown dress, casual dress, not that casual. Yeah, okay. Please come and relax and enjoy. Friends, for tomorrow some changes we made in the program. We're going to have this Indian Idol program between 1 and 3. Immediately after the Chief Minister's visit here and lunch break, the program starts and will continue till 3 o'clock. Then our other programs will follow. There's some changes we brought in because they requested, because people have come from all over India, from different districts. Good singers. It's worth having a break in between the morning session and the evening session and relax and enjoy that musical Rotary Indian Idol. And now after this break, immediately we're going to have all the RI officers, that's past district governors. We're going to have a College of Governors COG meeting just in the separate room here down with the RI rep for half an hour, 45 minutes. Then we'll break and join that entertainment team, the evening fellowship team. For the tomorrow evening again, there's going to be a dinner with the RI rep. For the dress code for tomorrow will be the conference, whatever the shirt, what is given, the gown shirt for tomorrow. So please come with the conference shirt, wear the shirt for tomorrow, and we're going to have that for tomorrow evening. Today, casuals, Jada nahi, jara sa. And tomorrow, we're going to be with this dress code because DG presentation, DGN presentation, all that will be there. And followed by that, again, a good, nice entertainment and cocktails and dinner. So, with this information now, tomorrow morning, so please reach early. Let us not miss out anything. We want to cover everything. And very interesting events, activities, and good speakers. So please don't miss it. A lot of lots with different set of prizes. Today we given some prizes just like that. There's going to be a lot of gold prizes for tomorrow. You can imagine what is the prizes? No. Something better than that in a much better one. So every session is going to be 3 prizes. So plus also a lot of dancing program, a lot of interesting dances and other interesting announcements. Don't miss it. See you exactly at 9 tomorrow. And today, after the vote of thanks, we're going to conclude this test session and we're going to start with COG and 7 o'clock we'll meet for the cocktails, dinner and entertainment. Thank you very much. Over to District Secretary Puzzle.
Thank you, DG. Friends, all of you agree that you had a good conference today? Yeah, you got something more interesting for the second day. I'll just read out to you tomorrow's program in brief. It would start at 9:30 with an interfaith prayer, then youth service session, vocational service session. Then we have the session on foundation, a centenary of giving, then public image and CSR. After that, we'll have a valedictory session where both our DGN and DGE will be presented. So I'm sure this will be better than what you saw today. Good evening once again, everybody. It's now time to place on record all those hands that have put together this session on international service. PDG Brian Beasley, we deeply appreciate your gracious presence amidst us today. Thank you so very much for presenting to us the IFMR activities. It was indeed a motivational and interesting one. I thank the Rotary International President, Representative Rotarian Mario Caesar, for gracing this occasion, sir. Friends, the International Service Team has presented to you in a nutshell the achievements thus far. It was indeed a privilege to do so in your presence. Rotarian Srinath Babu, as Director International Service, you have had the clubs of our District 3190 being very active and vibrant. A lot of activities have seen the light and I'm sure the DG is very happy. I thank the District Governor for this fantastic conference, a conference with a difference. We have been enjoying ourselves thoroughly, sir. We thank Rotarian Nagendra Prasad, the conference chair. Your conference has indeed surpassed all expectations. Thank the cycling team led by Rotarian RG Bhatt for cycling from Bangalore to Goa and doing a lot of good things all along the route. Thank the IFMR team led by Rotarian Krishnan from Northwest for a wonderful ride to district conference. We thank the Friendship Exchange team from RI District 5630, Nebraska, USA. And the chair who managed everything here is Rotarian Jai Shankar from Rotary Koramangala. We thank Rotarian Abhay Kanjikar for the great presentation you gave and the glimpses of soul to us this evening. We wish that you will have at the end of the year a good number of registrations moving on to the RI convention. Last but not the least, thank you ladies and gentlemen for being with us throughout the day's deliberation and sitting and being a part of this session. Thank you so very much.
Good evening, everybody. All set.
Thank you.
So are you guys ready to have a good time? Firstly, I cannot see the smiling faces. Where are all the smiles? They've vanished. You know, Goa is a place such where you come here, the minute you land here, you have big smiles on your faces because you know you're closer to the sun, sand and beaches. And the smiles seem to be missing out here. So before that, just to make sure that you guys are warmed up enough, may I request you all to kindly stand up, please? May I request you all to kindly stand up? Come on. Okay? I know it's not really cold, but you guys are a little chilly right now already. I want you guys warming up. So I want you guys rubbing your hands against each other. Come on, let's see that happen. Rubbing your palms, please. Everyone, rub your palms, please. And I want you greeting one another with a handshake, please. I request you to kindly greet your neighbor with a handshake. And when I meant greet your neighbor, I do not mean greeting your family members or your spouses, yeah? I meant greeting the other ones that you have around you, the ones who are not exactly a part of your internal family. Can we see that happen? Have you guys done that? You guys have done that? I can see that happening. I am super happy to see the ladies actually taking an initiative out there and actually doing that. Now that you guys are all set, okay, we just have an announcement to be made that the food will be served only after 8. I'm sure no one's actually interested in the food for now because we have so much of entertainment lined up here. When we start off this gala evening, I promised you guys fun, frolic and oodles of entertainment. Joining us on stage is one such band which is very much from Goa. They've done many shows nationally and within India, and tonight they're here to make sure that you guys have a great time. Are you guys ready for that? So with a huge round of applause, can you please welcome on stage none other than Manthan Lounge. For all this and a lot more, may I request you to kindly settle, please. And to all our wonderful friends and family members that we have, may I request you all to kindly keep your cell phones on the silent mode as well, because we do not want you all to be distracted with the wonderful entertainment that we have for you all. Thank you. I know I promised you guys some music, but then we seem to be having some technical difficulties. Is why we're going to move on to the next set of performances that we have for you all. Okay, since you guys are here in beautiful Goa, okay, Goa is known for a lot of their international acts, and joining us on stage is some lovely ladies that have flown from 7 seas, मतलब 7 समंदर पार करके आपके लिए यहाँ पर आए हैं, and they're here out to bring to you some wonderful dances, and they're ready to give all the Shakiras and Jennifer Lopez's a run for their money. With a huge round of applause, please put your hands together for the 2 wonderful belly performances that we have. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए.
حبيبي يا حبيبي زيدو وعيلته
بطبعي واتعودت عليه واللي مأثر فيا إنه ما حسيتش بيا بعد العشرة جاية بعد ما قلت عليه Ya no guardes más rencor, sé que fue mi error. Olvídate de todo lo anterior, ven a reclamar tu amor. Extraño mi amor. Como me extraño mi amor, que yo me tuve que ir de tu lado, porque no me pudiste entender. Ya sé que mi corazón sigue contigo, a mi tierra no tenía que
Ahora sí, llegó el momento, nada quieto, cierto. Muere la lluvia, yo desierto. Que nunca me dejarás, tú me dijiste.
I can't hear the taliyas. Can I have that? A little bit louder, please? Okay, there's a special prize that I'm going to give for a very special gentleman out here. And you guys would probably wonder why am I going to give him the prize? That prize goes out to you, sir. Yes, I'm going to give you the prize. What's your name, sir?
Dr. K. Ravindranath.
Mr. Ravindranath. Doctor, you guys are going to have your hands together for him. Now I say, shame on you guys. Can I have the prize out here, please? सर कहते हैं किसी भी शुभ काम करने से पहले मुंह मीठा करना बहुत जरूरी है, तो ये रहा आपके लिए डेयरी मिल्क का चॉकलेट. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Okay. The men out here who are jealous, okay, I'm giving you an opportunity to win a prize as well. The camera is capturing your look, okay, so you guys got to smile. You guys can't look angry and mad here. Can I have some volume, please? Can I have some volume on the mic? Okay. We're giving another prize out here. And this time, it goes out to the gentleman who does the loudest CT. You guys have to whistle. You gotta whistle, baby. Whistle, baby. Yeah, we go. I do. What's your name, sir?
Shyam Prasad.
We do have a winner out here. The winner is Shyam Prasad. Can you? No. Okay. We can see all kinds of people retaliating. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Sir, would you like to try as well? Yeah. Go for it, sir. Yes. Oh, wait. You don't need the mic, sir. Try the CT from there.
Hello, excuse me.
Okay. Yes.
Don't waste your time. Start the
Yes.
Start the music.
Yes. Who else do we have? Prasad, thank you. You have the CT as well. Great. Okay. I actually just got mobbed with a bunch of people out here who did the loudest CTs out here. The guys on to my left hand side, are you guys having a good time? The ladies especially, are you guys having a good time? Okay, आप सबके लिए कुछ अर्ज करना चाहूंगी. समुंदर को पाते ही हम बारिश को भूल जाते हैं, सुख पाते ही हम खुदा को भूल जाते हैं. बड़ी अजीब है ये दुनिया, शीला आते ही हम मुन्नी को भूल जाते हैं. लेकिन आज के इस माहौल में हम शीला, मुन्नी, पिंकी किसी को भूलने नहीं देंगे, because the next performer that we have on stage is going to give all the munnis and sheilas a run for her money because she's a wonderful Bollywood dance performer. आपके जोरदार ताली के बीच में please put your hands together for none other than the lovely Desi Sheila.
कोई फर्क नहीं पहले मेरी थाल की स्लॉट डाल दो पे चलना दिखा दो तुझे अपना कमाल तुझको दिलाई मैंने बैंडेड बैंडेड का मेरा है शॉपिंग मॉल
performance by the Kanan Brothers. May I request the wonderful kids that we have in the house, please do not try this at home, because this is achieved after sheer practice and patience and love that they do.